Page 76, Down in the Valley. It's 3 lines long, 3/4 time. Let's talk about these hands. I'm going to take them separately here. The right hand first. When it comes in, thumb on C, middle C. It has a rest on beat 1 because the left hand plays the note. And then it comes in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Remember, a dotted half note gets 3 counts because it's the same as 3/4 notes. In the last measure, the first line here. And that D in the second line, that's tied to another D, so you're going to hold that down for 6 counts. Oh boy. And then the third measure, the second line, the thumb, just bring the thumb down to the B here. Leave the hand where it is, just bring the thumb down. And you only have the thumb down as long as you need to play the note, and then you bring the thumb back. Right there. And G, and then the last note. That C at the bottom, that's tied. You're going to hold that down for 6 counts. That's the right hand. Left hand, you have a G at the beginning, so you're here. Rest, rest, and then you have the C chord. That's tied. All 3 of those notes are tied, so you're holding them all down for the full 6 counts. Then you have a whole rest, 3 beats of rest. Second line, then you have the G7 chord. That's tied. You're going to hold that down forever. And then the G, and then, so it's the same thing. Put the hands together. What do we have? We have here. Now this is a problem for a lot of people, including me. I still struggle with it sometimes. Is this is melody. But it needs to sound like one hand played it all, and rather than 2 hands. So you have to balance the hands out. You connect the notes, but they have to be the same loudness, so it sounds like the same hand played it. So, and you play the whole piece like that. Then once you have the notes and the rhythms and the fingering, let's go back and let's add in this phrasing. See the slurs, the big curved lines? So you're going to connect all the notes within it, but we're going to lift up the right hand between them. There's nothing marked for the left hand. We don't have to worry about the left hand. It's the right hand that has to come up. So here on the first line, connect all of these. Now lift up. It's like taking a breath. You just lift up. Second line, before the left hand plays its note, lift up. So there's a little silence before you go on. And then the last line, lift up before you play the F. So there's a little silence between each one. Now we go back and we add the dynamics. Now again, they're giving you 2 dynamics. You don't need 2 dynamics. You need a dynamic given for the melody. And you just make everything else adjust accordingly. So it's medium loud or moderately loud. That's whatever you think moderately loud is. It's sort of loud, huh? And the chord, the C chord, keep it soft. We want to hear the melody. So that's the dynamics. As far as the speed goes, sort of slow is about where I've been playing it, I think. That's the piece pretty much. Now there is a repeat sign at the end, so we're going to play it twice. Now there's a note at the bottom saying that if you want, you can play the chords, the notes in the left hand, this chord. Play them one at a time, like they're showing. Instead of like all together, play them this way. You just play one at a time. And then for the second line, instead of that, just play them one at a time. So, let's try that on the repeat. When we repeat it, and we'll change the left hand on the chords to that pattern they show at the bottom. So I'd like to play it with you slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms and not doing dynamics. I'll give us 3 counts, so let's play this together. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3. 2, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, repeat. 1, 2, 3.